It is just as the ancient texts have said. We've made a magnificent discovery, my friends. It's the new 2DS XL Hylian Shield Edition. It looks so very gorgeous, doesn't it? What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and a few days ago I made an unboxing video on the brand new GameStop exclusive new 2DS XL Hylian Shield Edition, and you guys really want to see more on this console, so here you go. In crispy clean 4K, I actually have some extra footage of this console, and how could I not want to share it? I mean, this thing is simply gorgeous. Like, look at this thing. Seriously, I was not planning on getting another 2DS until I actually saw this thing. Then I was like, this thing really needs to be added to my collection like ASAP, especially since it's a special edition. Like, I'm a huge fan of red consoles and all, and I'm also a huge Zelda fan, and I missed out on some of the other Zelda-themed consoles, so I was like, you know, I gotta get this thing, and this is arguably one of the most gorgeous variants of a handheld that I have ever seen in person. So here you guys go. Without further ado, let's check this thing out a little more. Now, everybody already knows my thoughts on the new 2DS XL by now. There's nothing else that I can further say on this console other than the fact that I truly love this thing. It's really the most refined version of the 3DS in the lineup, and it's a fantastic handheld at half the price of the Switch. I mean, you simply cannot go wrong with it. But I've also seen a lot of comments on my unboxing video that I wanted to address about cases and accessories with the Hylian Shield version of the new 2DS XL, and I can confirm that most cases obviously will work, but the hard shell case does not work. It works on the Pokeball edition, it simply pushes the button down, but hard shell cases do not work on the Hylian Shield edition at the moment. They're probably gonna have to make specific ones for it, but they do not work at the moment right now. Like the one that I have on my Pokeball, it works on the original black and blue 2DS. It works on the Pokeball, but it does not work on the Hylian Shield. It's really weird, so just keep that in mind. Overall, if you're a fan of the Legend of Zelda series and want either a new 2DS or 3DS to either play on or keep as a collector's item, this Hylian Shield Edition is the perfect excuse to splurge. Like, I don't think there's ever been a better time. The design of this thing is just gorgeous, and it looks even better in person. Like, in my unboxing video, that was honestly the first time that I ever saw this thing in person, so I saw it along with you guys, and I was really taken back at how beautiful and vibrant this thing is. Like, this is a complete 180 than the original blue and black new 2DS XL that first launched. Like, this thing is just like night and day. It looks so very good. So considering this is very much a special edition console, if you want it, I wouldn't hesitate to pick one up. Like, this is only going to be on sale for probably a limited time, so I would grab it if you definitely want it. Alrighty guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to leave a comment down in the comments box down below. Let me know your favorite variation of a console. Do you have a favorite variation of the 2DS or the 3DS? Favorite color on the Switch? Favorite color of like a PlayStation 4, Xbox, whatever it may be? I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments box down below. Alrighty guys, that's about it. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos coming your way every Thursday, Sunday, sometimes more. You know it's going down over here on the channel. So many fun things coming your way, my friends. And also, if you want to see more of this thing, just be sure to let me know and I'll do my best to make it happen. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.